Hello guys and welcome to my blog. My name is Rebecca Allen and I'm the designer for Straw House. So today I would like to talk to you about a campaign that I'm doing which is using recycled remnants of fabric and the offcuts. So I was lucky enough to get some of these from Colorado and I'll pop their link in below. So what you can do there is they're offcuts and they're extra pieces of fabric that aren't being used. They store away and you just pay postage and they send a load to you and you're free to do what you want with them. So this is important to me because it's a big issue in the fashion industry. Recycling and waste, they tend to just get thrown away and they end up in landfills and they're very bad for the environment. So here I've tried to create some garments made from the offcut pieces. It's a challenge and it means that every bit is interesting and different. Every garment is different from the next, as the remnant pieces of fabric can be this big or this big. So creating a garment, you really need to think about how it's going to be constructed. And I was lucky enough to receive a fair bit of jersey. So I love working with jersey, so I've been putting together some outfits which will soon be on my Etsy. So I would like to show you some of the fabric I've got. So this is some of the bits of fabric I've got. This is like a canvas fabric. A lot of them have colour testing marks on because that's what it would have been used for. So they're going to be made up. I've got some more here, as you can see. I've got a good old big bag of canvas pieces, so that's going to be exciting to play with those. And I'm hoping to make some coats and jackets from those pieces. So yeah, so it's important to me, and I think every new designer and every designer that's already out there should really be considering their waste. Even little designers, not alone the large designers, should be thinking about what they do with their scrap fabric and how they can reduce that. So for this campaign, I'm going to be thinking a lot about design and how I can incorporate all the bits of scrap in, even the really, really small bits, so that I'm not wasting any fabric. Now for me as a designer, this is quite difficult, not the recycling, the using fabrics that I've been given. So I'm a very colourful designer. If you check out my website www.strawhouse.co.uk, you'll see I love beading, I love playing with textures, I love playing with colours. However, when you use recycled or offcut bits and you use recycled fabric, for example, a lot of them come in very toned down colours, whites, browns, creams, and to dye a fabric you're looking at lots of chemicals that go into the dyeing of that fabric. So I'm trying to avoid that and edge towards that more with my fashion and my collections, to try and promote other designers to also do that and, you know, develop a more sustainable world. My pieces come with washing instructions which suggest you don't wash them, you know, every single time you wear them, and when you wash them, you hand wash them in cold water to keep them lasting longer and be more pieces that you keep in your wardrobe for years and years and years rather than a season and then they go out. So yeah, thank you for listening to me and I hope you're all having a good day. All the links in below will be in my description, so my website, my Instagram, the site from where I got this fabric from, and I hope it inspires you to make something. So have a good day everyone. Thank you for listening. Bye.